What's going on, everybody? Slot Rascals here, sitting down to play some Timberwolf Triple Power. Looks like we got a $34,000 grand up there, which would be really nice to hit. Hold on 1 second while I get my camera situated here. Sorry about that. It happens when I try to lean back to show you guys what's going on up above. So we got $200 in the machine. We're gonna start on the 1 cent denom. We're gonna jump around. 200 bucks in there. We got the rising, the gold, and the bucks bowls up there, if you will. Gold is lit up pretty high. Let's put a little more volume on this action here. Usually I'm not a huge fan of these bowl games, but I've been having some luck lately. All right, buck screw a little bit, not very much, but a little. Adjust the camera just a slight bit more. Hold on. There we go. There we go. You can see those bowls up there a little bit better. Kind of walking around, saw them, figured let me give them a try. There we go. Need to get them wolves. Lots and lots of them. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Do us a huge favor as you're watching. Go down there and hit that subscribe button down below for us. Really appreciate your support. Also hit the like button on that video for us. And leave us a comment if there's a game that you want to see us play that we haven't played yet. And go back and check out our old videos, because we might have it out there already for you. All right, nice little line hit there. I'll take it. All right, 406 on the win puts us back up over our $200 start point. Usually, like I said, usually not a huge fan of these bowl games, but I will admit this one's been kind of nice to me lately, so I figured come up here and take a chance real fast. See if we can maybe win a couple dollars. If not, it's okay. It's all entertainment for us. Thought that one was going to go, but it didn't. It's Santa Claus. All right, let's go. Come on, Wolves. Timberwolf, let's go. Just line them up big. Let's go. So we walk around the casino as we always do when we get into the casino. Walk around this morning. They've changed out a bunch of games, so got to get reacclimated where things are at. So we always got to check it out, because sometimes games you like to play may not be there anymore, but they put other stuff in its place, newer games, which is always fun. We like playing the newer games when they get them in. All right, $1.60 bet. Little increase here. Let's see what happens. 2 of the greens. All right, Wolves, let's go. Want to hear you howl. Let's go. Oops, sorry, bumped the camera there. That gold one is full. It was full when I sat down, but as you all know, that doesn't mean a whole lot because it's random. Let's try a couple 240 bets here and see what happens. Oh, got ourselves a little line hit of jacks. Nice, we'll take it. All right, $6 winner. I love it. We like line hits. I don't like the games that you don't get line hits on. Give me a chance. That's all I ask for. Oh, the green one just went up big time. So the gold and the bucks bowls are pretty close together. Be nice to trigger one of those, or both at the same time would even better. The rising bull is feeling left behind. He's trying to catch up. Let's go. Nope. Not gonna go too crazy on this game. Sometimes it can be nice, sometimes it won't be. But I guess that's true with any game. Come on, let's go. This button is a little janky. Obviously, people have been beating it up. Sometimes it wants to work, sometimes it doesn't. There we go. Come on, gold. Nope, doesn't want to trigger yet. Ah, missing the house in the middle there. Go. Not much going there. Switch up the bet. Nope. Alright. I'm going to switch it up. We'll go to 2 cent real quick. Try a few of this and see what happens. There's a red one. Trigger that one. Nope. Come on, let's go. Love to get into a bonus. Let's go. That 200 coin, $4 winner. Come on, let's go. Let's try a couple 320 bets here real quick, see what happens. There's the green one. Nothing yet on that. I need some more wolves. Not bad, $15 payout there. Down about 50 bucks. That ain't too bad for this. Could be worse. All right, $250 payout on my $1.60 bet. Nope. Looks like the rising wants to get in the game here. Let's go, all 3 of them. Give me a nice triple trigger. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Got a little log cabins there all the way across. $8 winner. Taking it. Oh, 2 owls. Neither one of them on trigger yet. That gold needs to trigger. Let's switch it back. We're going back down to 1 cent. Like I said, we come here to have fun. Whatever money we bring, we know is entertainment. Oh, 2 of the owls. I needed that 3rd one. There we go. But we come and play. It's all our entertainment value for us rather than like going to movies or whatever. It's what we enjoy doing this, so once you stop enjoying it, then it's time to maybe call it quits on gambling. Come on, let's go, wolves. Oh, need a wolves in that 3rd row there. Let's go, come on, let's go. We need some not quite. Come on, wolves, let's go. We need a bonus. There's 2. Rising. Ah, rising went up but not triggered. Looks like all 3 of them are pretty equal now. Big bump. Double rising. Let's go. All right, again, on 1 cent, $1.60 bet. Let's see if we can get something to trigger on this one. That would be nice. Come on. Oh, Howling Wolves. Move my camera over a little bit. It looks like it was a little off center maybe. No, actually it was all right. Come on, bonus, let's go. Let's trigger one of those up there. Let's go. There's a green one. This can be tough at times. Can be a tough game, that's for sure. And they're all filled up. Let's go. Let's unfill them real quick. Oh yeah, 320 bet. Max bet is $4 on the 1 cent. Let's give her a couple, lob a couple in there, see what happens. Let's get some owls. Not much going on there. Oh, we got jacks. That's good. Looks like we got a $10 winner on our $4 bet. About halfway through our bankroll. Getting a lot of points though too, so that's the other thing to keep in mind. As long as you got a game that's giving you some good, decent kickbacks, makes it more enjoyable. Sometimes you run into a game that just will not give you anything. So definitely love the games that'll give you some nice line pays here and there. All right, $5 win on the $4 bet. Just not a lot going on. Move around here, see if we can find something. Come on, Wolves, let's go. Oh, there's two of them. Need one in that third row. Third reel, not playing along here today. Come on. Need some eagles here, let's go. Need some owls, I mean. Let's fill up them bowls. That being a little tough. Come on, let's go. Well, there's a couple purples there, just didn't want to trigger it. I won, but I didn't quite get my bet back. That'll happen on a lot of games these days. Come on. Come on, let's go. There's a couple. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, Timberwolf Rising. All right, trigger the purple one. Ironically, that was the one that was the least full when I sat down. All right, 12 free games. So let's see what we can get on this one. See if we can get some of our money back here. All right, let's go. Big line hits, let's go. All right, there's deer all the way across. That's a $40 win. That's nice, I'll take it. All right, small little win there. 49.61 so far. Needed houses in that fourth reel. That would have been huge. Come on, let's go. Come on, bonus, let's go. Come on, game 7 of 12 here. Not hitting a lot. Let's go, come on, get a good hit. Come on, let's go. 10 of 12. There's a 3-timer. All right. Got 2 of the Owls, so we get 12 more free games. Plus we got the 3-time multiplier connecting the 10s and Santa Claus. Nice. We will take it. 3360 on that line hit. Up to 8960 and got a big old stack of free games. You got 24 free games. This is number 12. There's a 3-time multiplier. Put it to use. 10s all the way across. That works. All right, $108 winner so far. Let's go. Game 15 of 24. Oh. Come on, let's go. Let's get a re-trigger. Get another re-trigger. All right, game 17 of 24 coming here. Come on, gotta stack something. Let's go. Oh, there's some wolf action, Santa Claus, Queens. Oh, that's huge. We had a 3-time and a 5-time box in there, $69.80 just on that one alone. That's awesome. And that 5-time box there was huge. Santa Claus. All right, this bonus is turning out to be pretty dang good. Gotta love it. Let's go. There's a 3-time multiplier. Wish I would have connected that all the way across, but I'll take it. All right, here's game 20 of 24. Oh, freeze that. Come on, hit something. Oh. Wasted that 5-time multiplier. That's good. 3-timer up there. Another 1040 on that spin. We have definitely rose above our starting $200. That's awesome. Still got 2 more spins to go. Let's go, Timberwolf. Nope, let's go. Last spin. $193.16. 1 cent denom, $3.20 bet. I will take that every day. That will put us above our 200 start point. We're at $243. We got to throw in a couple backups just in case something else is wound up there and ready to go. There's the green bowl. Nope. All right. So worst case scenario is I walk away with $200. I play a little bit more here, earn some more player points. Figure why not, right? In the profit, as long as we walk away with what we started with, all will be good. Oh, come on, Alex. Oh, and there you go. And that is exactly why you do backups. $16 win. And we got the Bucks. $12 free games. Come on. 5-time multiplier over there. Didn't touch anything. There's a bag. Fortunately, didn't make it to that 5-time multiplier. Thinking we might not have as good a bonus on this one, but let's see what happens. Still a lot of play left. There's a 3-time multiplier. That's got to play out well. All right, here we go. Game 5 of 12. A couple bags. All right, got wolves for 3 of the reels. Come on, let's go. Haven't seen them gold bags though. Come on, let's go. Game 9 of 12. There's a couple bags. Come on, Timberwolf, let's go. 1888 so far on the win, not huge. All right, that's game 12 of 12. This doesn't matter, you just reveal the prize. Nothing huge, but 43.88, I'm gonna take it. Definitely taking the bonus. Puts us up to $268. That's why you always do your backup spins, because you never know. So the gold that was full when we got here is still full, but we've gotten 2 really good bonuses. Give it a couple more spins, I think, and then I may walk away. But, oh, I was gonna say if that gold triggered, that would have been perfect. Come on, let's go gold. Or red, I guess you call it, but the gold bin is what I want. Let's go. All right. Oops, sorry about that. Hit my camera. What am I doing there? 252. Let's do a 240 bet just to throw it in there. All right, guys, we're gonna cash out. We're gonna take that 250. It's a $50 profit. Take it and run. I'm okay with it. We got in a lot of player points to get some benefits. Guys, do us a huge favor, and we appreciate everything you guys do watching our channel. Do us a huge favor, hit the like on the like button on the channel, or for the video, sorry. Subscribe for the channel. Make a comment if there's a game you guys want to see us play. We appreciate you guys watching. We'll have a great day. We'll see you again soon.